Hi friends, this is this video I'm making for to request all of you and also request you to request all 80 crore voters of India to order their MPs via SMS. That MP should order Home Minister to disclose all files which have information of Rashtrapita Subhash Chandra Bose and put those files in on government website. As we all know, as you must be knowing, I have uploaded a video from Shri Chandra Kumar Bose on website of on my Facebook profile. In that video, Shri Chandra Kumar Bose has endorsed right to recall party draft, right to recall draft, and he has also mentioned that volunteers of right to recall group approached him and explained the draft. Now, this has been our demand since 2007, long before 2007, that Shri Subhash Chandra Bose should be given honor of being Rashtrapita of India, and the Navy Revolt Day, 18 February, should be declared as Republican Day and the day on which Azad Hind Fauj had done flag hosting on the land of India, Nagaland. That day should be declared as Independence Day. And we had also demanded that Indian Army's name should be changed to Azad Hind Fauj. Now it is more than clear that the so-called airplane crash never happened in Taiwan, and that Subhash Chandra Bose was very much alive on that day. Where he went, whether he went to Russia or China is unknown, but it was very much known to the apex leadership of India, Prime Minister Mohan Bhai, etc., but they never disclosed it to India. And it is believed, and it is rightly believed, that the information is there in many files which are with Home Ministry, and those files are not disclosed to public. I remember reading a newspaper statement from a minister or a senior officer, I think cabinet officer or someone, cabinet secretary or someone, that if the information in that file is disclosed to public, then it will spoil relationship between India and some other countries. Well, if the relationship has to spoil, then let it spoil. In my previous video, which was made in Hindi, I had sent this SMS to my MP Kirit Solanki. I'll read that SMS to you. I'm not sending it again because I've already sent it once. But if you look at my Hindi video, you will see that I'm actually typing that SMS and I have sent that SMS, which I'll read it to you right now. The SMS says, Shri Kirit Bhai, I am Rahul Mehta, voter number, DDV, etc. of Ahmedabad West. Ahmedabad West is my constituency. The SMS reads as, Constitution makes it duty of every citizen to send necessary orders to MP via SMS. I am ordering you to order Home Minister to disclose all files having information on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to public and put them on government website. Thank you. So I request you, this SMS you can copy from my Facebook profile. I'll put it on Facebook profile in 2-3 hours, and I request you to send it to your MP. Now, in a later SMS, a separate SMS, as a separate SMS, I'll request you that you order your MP via SMS to give honor of Rashtrapita to Shri Subhash Chandra Bose. And there are other related SMSs which are described in my manifesto, Right to Recall Party manifesto, which is at rahulmehta.com/301.htm. Thank you. Now there are some valid technical questions. When I said that we should order our MP via SMS, that disclose all the files of Shri Subhash Chandra Bose on government website, you might have some valid question, such as where will you get mobile number of your MP? You can go to Parliament House website, and 70, 80, 90% MPs have put their mobile number on that website. What if your MP's mobile number is not on the Parliament House website? For example, consider Shri Lal Krishna Advani ji, his mobile number is not there on Parliament House website. In that case, you can find an MP in a neighboring area neighboring constituency of the same party. For example, Advaniji's mobile number is not there on website, but mobile number of Shri Harin Pathak ji and Shri Kirit Bhai Solanki, both of that is there on the government website. So you can send order to Shri Kirit Bhai and put a line in the beginning that I request you to forward this order to Shri Advani ji. So that way you can send the SMS, the order to as a request to the MP of neighboring constituency and ask him to forward it. Thank you.